Let me ask you something. When was the last time someone actually sat down with you and explained how money works? Not in a textbook, not with hidden fees attached, not to sell you something, just honest, clear, powerful financial education. For the world we actually live in today, here's the reality. Over 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck. Most have no investment strategy whatsoever. And the financial advice that does exist? Too complex, too expensive, too confusing. It's designed for people who already understand the system. But what about everyone else? What about the person working hard every single day, doing everything right, and still feeling like they're falling behind? That person deserves better. That's exactly why this channel exists. Welcome to Wise Money Lab, financial education for today's reality. This is your space to reset, to rebuild, to finally take control of your financial life, on your terms. Every single week, we cover what actually matters. Budgeting that works in real life, how to manage your money when rent is high, inflation is real, and life doesn't follow a spreadsheet. Investing, simplified. From your very first investment to building a diversified portfolio, we break it down so anyone can start. Multiple income streams, because one paycheck is one risk. We show you how to build more, protecting what you earn. Insurance, emergency funds, tax basics, the stuff nobody talks about until it's too late. No jargon, no gatekeeping, no fluff. Just the knowledge that changes how you see money forever. And here's the part that most people miss. The financial world is not waiting for you to feel ready. AI is reshaping entire industries. Inflation is rewriting household budgets. New investment opportunities are emerging every year. The gap between people who understand money and people who don't is growing wider. Every day you wait is a day the gap gets bigger. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. And that is not a cliche. That is just math. Wise Money Lab is for you if you've ever looked at your bank account and felt like something has to change. It's for you if you want to invest but have no idea where to start. It's for you if you're tired of financial content that talks down to you or talks over you. Beginners, intermediates, anyone ready to level up. Whether you're starting from zero or looking to go from good to great, there is something here for you. So here is what I want you to do right now. Hit subscribe. Turn on notifications, because the next video we post could be the one that changes how you think about money permanently. This is Wise Money Lab, financial education for today's reality. And we are just getting started. Let's build something together.